Guys, boleh dengar ke tak boleh dengar guys? Mari, mari, mari. Here at Pondok Abang Frozen Mart, you can definitely get our sate goreng. We got sate goreng ayam, sate goreng lembu, sate goreng kambing. But some of you guys have requested for sate on sticks, okay? Sate on sticks. So I'm glad to share that we have brought it in. So actually bukan kita tak ada, kita memang ada ni sate-sate semua on sticks lah kan. Tapi usually kita orang supply to kedai-kedai makan. So this time round, because of the request that we have been receiving, okay, kita orang dah bawa datang kita punya Frozen Mart, okay. So kalau you all naknya bakar sate kat rumah ke, kalau you all nak pergi barbecue ke, you can come down to our Frozen Mart and it's also available on our website www.pondokabang.com, okay. Satu paket ni dalam ada 50 pieces, okay guys, 50 pieces. Harga dia, beef sate 23.5, chicken sate 20.5, mutton sate 26.5, okay guys, 50 pieces. So you boleh bakar lah kat rumah, atau you nak pergi barbecue ke apa benda, you can come down here to buy. Habis tu, some of you also inquired, habis kuah sate pula macam mana? So kuah sate pun ada guys, okay, kuah sate pun ada. Kuah sate ni dah siap packing setengah kilo, okay. Ini you tinggal defrost, you masuk dalam microwave pun boleh, okay guys. Dah tak payah nak susah-susah lagi. Harga hanya $4 sahaja. Hanya $4 sahaja. Okay guys. Sate gravy ni. Ni pun dah tinggal satu. Nanti kita top up lagi lah. Apart from that, kita try tengok kalau kita orang ada lagi. Kalau you nak masak sendiri, you boleh ambil ni. Sambal sate 3.5 je. Okay. Ini ada dia punya apa nama dia punya instructions lah macam mana nak buat. Tambah air 400 ml. Then you just boil it. Okay guys. Okay, ini pun boleh juga. So, guys, jangan cakap abang tak payung dekat sini. Sekarang ada sate cocok, okay guys. So, you beli, you bawa balik rumah, you bakar kat rumah, you enjoy dengan you punya family, okay. And, apa nama dia, upcoming school holiday ke apa, you boleh beli, you boleh bakar dekat East Coast ke, dekat Changi ke, okay. You enjoy dengan you punya family, okay. Thank you very much guys. We look forward to serving you authentic Malay food made traditionally.